Hi, everybody, and welcome to episode 2. Today, we discover how to prepare a glass of wine before tasting. I show you how to proper taste. What do I mean to say? First of all, I'm going to pour a little drop. Try not to waste a lot of wine. Can you see it's a very teeny tiny drop? The glass is clean, but I'm going to do this. I'm swirling. And then now I'm using just a container, but professionally, when I have the chance to do this professionally, I have a spittoon. And so what am I doing? I'm doing this, look. So what did I do? I just cured my glass before pouring the wine. So I use the same wine that we are going to drink or to taste, because in this way, I'm sure that right now, I don't smell anything from cabinets, detergents, nothing. So what I want to have is a glass ready to taste my wine. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this short video with some wine tips. This is just episode number 2. There are more coming, so follow Cooltours on my YouTube channel and like me, like us. Enjoy your time, enjoy your wine. Bye and follow Cooltours.